Welcome to the first episode of Powering Ontario Industry, the Battery Energy Storage Solution, or BESS Breakdown. I'm Pete, VP of Business Development for BESS and Uninterruptible Power Supply at Circuit Energy. If you're in the Ontario industrial sector, you already know energy costs are a challenge, and that's exactly why we're here today. We're kicking off this series by answering a simple but powerful question. Why does energy storage matter for your business? Ontario manufacturers face some of the highest power costs in North America. The 5 coincidental peaks known as global adjustment electricity charges for Class A customers make up a huge part of the bill. And when the grid is stressed, think hot summer afternoons like we all just experienced. Running your normal operations, business as usual during those peak hours can cost you big. Add to that more frequent grid interruptions, tighter margins, and growing ESG pressures, and suddenly your energy bill isn't just a line item, it's a risk to your profitability and competitiveness. This is where battery energy storage systems come in. Think of BESS as an industrial-grade battery that works intelligently with your facility's power system. It stores energy when it's cheap and abundant, and discharges it when electricity is most expensive, which is usually when the grid is under stress. It's not about replacing the grid, it's about using it smarter, flattening those peak demand hours that are driving up global adjustment electricity charges, and giving your plant some resilience during grid outages. There are 4 key benefits for BESS. First, cost savings. Cut demand charges by up to 20 to 40%, while also avoiding the need to curtail or having any production impact. Second, sustainability. Supports clean energy integration. Less grid demand load from you during peaks means less grid-level gas generators that are called upon. Third, operational resilience. After any grid loss, you'll get short duration runtime and controlled shutdowns, potentially allowing for faster restart upon grid recovery. Fourth and last, incentives. Federally, there's 30% investment tax credit available right now, with potential provincial programs and incentives in the horizon. For many facilities, the above means 6-figure annual savings available right now, without changing how you operate day to day. The key takeaway, basically, is battery energy storage isn't the future, it's current trend that is now, and it's helping Ontario industry stay competitive. In our next episode, we'll break down exactly how these systems work and what makes them so effective in industrial settings. If your facility is paying 6 figures or more in global adjustment and electricity costs every year, this is a technology you can't afford to ignore. I'm Pete with Circuit Energy. Keep watching as we uncover how BESS can transform the way manufacturers manage demand charges and protect their bottom line.